Hey guys, so I haven't been on YouTube probably for I want to say 2 months. It might have been more, probably was more, but I'm back now and I have a mukbang for y'all. You already know I'm trash at mukbang, so we'll call this an eating show. We have the ×2 spicy fire noodles with Alfredo sauce and mozzarella. Trust me, I know it sounds nasty, but it's so fire. And shout out to Nikocado Avocado because he put me on to this. But we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna put my hair up. And I'm just going to explain what's been going on in my life for the... Anyway, I had this... Can you even see my hair? Okay, you're not gonna be able to see my hair. Hold on. Oh, this looks so fire. I literally have only had breakfast today. Oh, what the heck. But not on purpose, though. I've just been, literally just preparing for this video. Even though I haven't really done shit, but I did a lot of shit, behind the scenes. For example, this setup. If y'all just saw the setup, I mean, I'm a genius for this setup. Since I don't have an official setup anymore, this is gonna have to do. This will probably be my setup for most of my videos. Not sure yet, but I'm gonna take the first bite now. Wow, 10 out of 10. Let me tell y'all the recipe, or what I used. I did 2 packs of the ramen, 1 pack of the spicy sauce, and then I got a little bit of Alfredo sauce. I didn't measure it, I just kind of eyeballed it. And then I just put a handful of mozzarella in it, mixed it all together in a pot. I'm telling you, if the spice is too hot for you to handle, which is usually the case for everyone, the Alfredo sauce really helps, and even just cheese really helps. I wanted you guys to be able to see the food, and I don't know how to go about it. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. Can I? Okay, yeah. Anyway, so where I've been. I have quite the life update for y'all, really. My life has significantly changed. I'm no longer in public school. I went homeschooled. Well, it's kind of complicated. It's called independent study. It's basically homeschooling. I just went in once a week to turn in my work, and I'm actually done now. I'm done with all my high school work, so I'm graduated technically. Right now I have all my high school credits, which is such a big accomplishment. The reason I went homeschooled was because I'm now in Cosmos school, which is literally amazing. Let me finish that sentence right now, hold on. Okay. So Cosmos school basically, I go in from 9 to 6, Mondays through Thursdays, but it's seriously been the best experience. I'm not even trying to sound dramatic, but I literally hated high school, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate. This is burning the fuck out of my throat. I need some water. Also, it feels really weird, like, not talking, but if I'm gonna call it an eating show, then I gotta fucking eat, alright? So, yeah, sorry for the awkward silence, but it is what it is. I've been feeling nauseous all day for like no reason. Okay. I'm literally a fucking disgrace. But these are gonna have to wait. I have to tell my story and it's just getting too spicy for me, to be quite honest. Which is mind-blowing because I'm using 2 packets of ramen, only 1 sauce, and I put cheese and Alfredo, and it's still like intolerably spicy. So if you haven't tried the ×2, these, now you know. If you think that you're good at spice, like I would say I'm pretty good at spice, and these still like spice me out every time. So if you think you're good at spice, you gotta try those. Those are seriously like painfully spicy, but they're also so good. Anyway, I'm gonna get into where I've been and whatnot. Okay, so since I have to wrap the video up, where have I been? Cosmic School. Why have I taken so long? I don't know. 3. I don't know. I seriously don't understand the point of this video. I don't. Like, I literally just made it because I was like, I have not uploaded in probably a year. So, yeah, that's really what this video is. Sorry about it. The next one will be better. And thank you guys all so much for watching. Sorry if this video was boring. I know I sounded kind of bored in this video, but it's honestly just because I'm tired, okay? I'm just tired. I need to go to bed. It's like what? 10:44 already. I'm used to being in bed by 9:30. So that's why I just sound like literally depressed in this video. I promise I'm not. But if you really actually did watch it, then thank you so much. Love you. And also, ladies or gentlemen, whatever it might be, I just want to make this clear. Y'all can hit me up for makeup for events. And I'm dabbling into nails now. I am just a beginner, but I do a pretty good job, I would say myself. I would say so myself. If y'all ever want either of those services, contact me on my Snapchat or on my Instagram. I'll probably put them in the description if I can, well, if I remember. I'm just trying to make that shmoney, to be honest with you. And I feel like a lot of people are scared. That sounds cocky, but I think a lot of people are scared to ask me. Not because I think I'm the shit, just because they probably don't know if I do makeup for other people. I don't know. Even though okay, I'm talking too much. I'm talking way too much. Yeah, so just hit me up if you want either of those. I will do, probably next video, I'll do a vlog of Cosmo School, what I do, what my day looks like, whatever. So watch out for that. I promise I will really try this time. I know I promise all the time, but I will really try this time to be more active because I really need to pick up my slack. It's gotten to a point where it's just terrible. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later, and yeah, have a great day or night, whatever time you're watching this on. Bye.